problem, we're told that bromomethane is converted to methanol in an alkaline solution. The reaction is first order in each reactant. We're given this chemical equation here, and we're asked to write the rate law and then do a couple other things with the rate law. So in order to write the rate law, we have to have information about the order of reaction with respect to the different items. And in this problem, it says that the reaction is first order with respect to each reactant. So the rate is going to be equal to a rate constant times the concentration of CH3Br raised to the first power, because it's first order, times the concentration of hydroxide raised to the first power. That's the same thing as leaving these powers off, because anything raised to the first power is just itself. All right. Now, for part B, it asks, how does the rate change if the hydroxide concentration is decreased by a factor of 5? So what you can do here is just pretend like we have one molarity for both, okay? So we have one molarity for each, and that would just be some value K. And if the concentration of hydroxide goes down by a factor of 5, that's like saying it goes down by 5, or it's multiplied by 1/5. The concentration would be 1 or 1/5, right? So you would have 1/5 K. So the rate goes down by a factor of 5 as well. Okay. Similarly, we can do the same kind of analysis. How does the rate change if both concentrations are doubled? Okay, so for part C, we want to again start off with assuming the reaction rate is equal to a rate constant times each of the two concentrations raised to the the first power, and just substitute in ones, right, for a starting point, and then think about, okay, what if the concentrations are doubled? If the concentrations are doubled, we will have initially the rate is equal to just K, all right? And if the concentrations are doubled, we will have two times K is 4K. So if we compare these two reaction rates, we can see that the rate is going to go up by a factor of 4. Okay, I'll have a couple more videos on this for additional practice if you need it. Thanks for watching.